Hi, good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Another day, another beautiful day for us to learn. I hope everyone's doing well. I hope everybody had a good first day session yesterday. Those of you that I could not reach out to, please be aware of your phone so that I can go ahead and call you and we can FaceTime you. Let's see. So we're going to go ahead and get started. So today's quote is, the more that you read, the more things you will know. The more that you learn, the more places you'll go. And that's by Dr. Seuss. So let's go ahead and get this day started. I hope everybody's doing wonderful today and ready to work. So let's continue. We will start with the Pledge of Allegiance. So, I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state under God, one and indivisible. So today is March, so the month. So let's go ahead and get started. The month is March. Next month is April. It is National Doctor Day. So yes, the month for this month is March. We are almost done with this month. So after March comes April. And if you haven't heard the saying, there's a saying that's called April showers bring May flowers. So once April comes, then after that it's May. But right now it's March, and then next month it'll be April, which is coming up. So let's go ahead and start with the days of the week. So today is Monday, March 31st, 2020. So let's say it together. Today is Monday, March 31st, 2020. Yesterday was Monday, March 30th. Tomorrow will be Wednesday, April 1st. So here's our calendar, March. So let's say it together. Get ready. Tuesday, March 31st, 2020. Today's weather is, it is going to be a little bit partly cloudy, and the temperatures is around 80 degrees. Might get a little warmer later in the day. It always starts off a little cool, and then it gets warm, and then it gets hot, and then it gets cool. But we'll go with 80 degrees today. So let's think of some daily healthy habit tips. So tip number 1, we always have to wash our hands like this for at least 20 seconds. Make sure that you're washing your hands all the time. If you sneeze, make sure you cover your nose. You cough towards your elbow. Never shake hands with somebody when you've sneezed or coughed. Okay, always wash your hands really well. Count to 20 seconds. Say the alphabet. Sing a happy birthday song. All of that works. So for a morning workout, we're gonna do jumping jacks. We are going to run a little bit or walk. We can jump, or we can play soccer or play basketball. Let's not forget to continue to be active, because that way we can sweat, we can cleanse our body and get a lot of energy, and our body can get going. So for the news, let's just continue to wash our hands all the time. Today we'll be working, it'll be more on life skills and a little bit of math, a little bit of reading. We'll try to catch up with things like that. I know packets will be ready tomorrow, so let's just go ahead and complete what is given to you today. Take pictures, take videos. Feel free to send them to me or to the group and the parents group. That way we can go ahead and share with everybody. But remember to always give it 100%. And let's do whatever it takes and give no excuses. Remember, con ganas, sí ganas. Let me go ahead and, you guys have my contact. My contact is Jennifer.Castañeda@Idea Public Schools. If you need to reach me, I'm available till 3:30 p.m. So from 8 a.m. to 3:30. I do have my hour for each one of you, so make sure that you're aware of the times. Each one of you has a time. I will always give you a heads up before I call you or I text you so that we can FaceTime and I can record my conversation with you and whatever lesson it is that we're covering for that day. There's also one more thing that I wanted to tell you. I wanted to let you know that I am very, very happy that all of you are excited to work. I really want you to put your full effort. Remember, our goals is to complete our IEP goals, come back next year, and just continue to give it 100% without excuses. This is going to be very fun. I understand it's very different, but always give it 100%. And I promise this will be fun and easy. And yes, so let's go ahead and get started with our day. And mood meter. I'm feeling happy because I'm back and I get to teach you guys, and I'm excited that I get to see each one of you. When I FaceTime you, I will ask you about your mood and you will answer me in a complete sentence. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get started.